Okay, we are just pulling up. This is, he needs his artificial turf cleaned. So we're gonna be cleaning his artificial turf because it smells like dog pee. And he has a stain that he needs taken out from the driveway. So this is one of our monthly customers. So, you know, we come here once a month. Hey Donald, how's it going?
Good, you?
Good, yeah. So is that the efflorescence you're talking about?
Do you see it? I don't know if it's on that side, but it's definitely on this side. Yeah, that.
Yeah, till we start, we don't know, really.
Okay. Is it all little on that one? It's up to you if you have time.
Oh yeah, I got time, yeah.
Alright.
Just an extra 50 bucks on the bill.
Okay.
Yeah. Then I think we could fit
Where?
this right here. And then it gives enough room for anyway. Yeah, just right there. Thank you. What you see here is we're dispensing concentrated simple green out of our pressure washing nozzles. We are using a safety tip that allows us to reduce the PSI so we do not cause any damage to the artificial turf. And it gives us the ability to dispense chemicals for a nice, efficient cleaning. We're just really getting that smell of the pee out of the artificial turf. So if you have artificial turf and it smells, give us a call. We're pros. After we soak it with bubbles, then we let it sit for about 10 minutes and then we give it a nice rinse. Can't forget about the side walkway. Get that smelling good because this smelled just as bad as the artificial turf. Because here in Las Vegas, we don't have real grass. So when the dogs go pee, they go pee on the fake grass. And the thing is, you got to keep that maintained and cleaned like this monthly client does. Now we're just going to give it a nice rinse and get all that soap out of the cracks in the artificial turf. And we got the artificial turf looking literally as good as it can get. When we say we're cleaning your backyard, that means all walkways are included, all ledges, all pool ledges. So you can see here we're cleaning the pool stucco floor, and you can see there's a bunch of dirt, grime, and bird poop we removed off there. After we let the simple green sit on there for about 5 minutes, we did the pool edges. We came back to it. Now it's ready to rinse and rinse off the rocks. Here at Power Wash Las Vegas, we always go over and beyond and just take that extra step for our clients. I'm going to mute this one because I was just out of breath, man. I need to stop smoking. We did have a little overspray from the pressure washers onto the windows, so we're just going over and beyond and cleaning the windows also. If you could see that front of the garage had a yellow line, that's a failed sealant. That is the epoxy as the top coat of sealant. It failed and it turned yellow, so we're just trying to get that removed. When we're using these powerful pressure washers on epoxy floors in the garage, we cannot turn the hot water on. Even though we have hot water pressure washers, we can't turn the hot water on because it will strip the top coat of the epoxy off in the garage. So right now we're just using cold water and some degreaser. What we do not do is use PSI to remove any sort of stain or that top layer of sealant. It might look like it's being cleaned right now. The tire marks are coming off, but that front layer of yellow just won't come up and we don't remove anything with pressure. Now we're gonna give it a nice thorough rinse, and literally that's as good as it gets. We got all the tire marks off. Again, we don't remove anything with pressure, and unfortunately we cannot remove some stuff. Us pressure washers, we don't do magic, but what I can guarantee is we got the best equipment to do the job and highly skilled at this. If you made it to the end of this video, I just want to say thank you for supporting this channel. Smash the subscribe button, the follow button, whatever. And if you live in Las Vegas and need your property cleaned, give us a call. Power Wash Las Vegas, LLC.